Okay, so maybe I cut a hole here. Definitely shouldn't have been a surgeon. So I've got to be careful here. Here's my all-time, well, one of my favorite worth tools. This long one. It's just beautiful. Okay, let's take my watch off. Let's see if I can get my arm in without dropping anything.
I have a lot of training in CLAWS, and I understand what is going on.
Okay.
That's why I say I want to be a coordinator.
Coordinator, that's your reason for your motivation.
That's me. My goal, I want to be a vet.
You want to be a vet?
Yeah.
My motivation is I want to be a professional header, because when I look around I feel more excited, because like there I said, because I want to gain some knowledge and skills. When I'm here I feel free, and I want to get more and more about this campaign or whatever, and gives me some more confidence when you do such things like this. But I enjoy more and more. But I'm also I just had my own to be a storyteller, but I didn't know that because I already happy now.
Good.
Yes, I want to be a Boma vet officer.
A Boma vet officer. What does a Boma vet officer do? Is that the one that goes between all the Bomas? Okay. And you wrote all this down in the story in your books. Is that right? Because I asked you to write a story. Did you write a story about what you want to, your motivation? Did you write it in your books?
Okay.
Okay. And then this afternoon we're going to if I could get my cozy from inside, I would have a shower. Does it make sense?
Yes.
When a lion or a predator comes, who or what is the first thing that makes a noise?
Dog.
The dog.
Yeah.
So shouting at the dog, hitting the dog, kicking the dog, you're telling the dog I don't care for you, but you need the dog. And the dog loves you.
Yeah.
It also loves the fire because it's warm.
Not right now.
Not right now, it's died. But these are things that are important to your environment. You need the dogs.
As the day came to a successful end, the cattle returned back to the Boma. Cooper, together with his team, went and counted and made sure everything was okay. The fire restarted as we opened up our tents and started brushing off the afternoon rain. Anton takes some time in the afternoon, while the day is winding down, to do the repair and maintenance on the 3D printed snorkel, and trying to understand again why his Vision X lights wouldn't work.
I feel a bit more relieved. The most difficult one is on, the one right underneath here. But thanks to the worth, I don't know how long this is, like 30 centimeters. Flipping beautiful. That can get through the top there. Now I've got to fix the two ones in the front. So that might be a bit fiddly because luckily there's a bit of a lip that goes up from the snorkel, but because I don't want to drop anything down the front. So there is a bit of space in the front, but got to choose battles. So got more important things to do right now and go and hang out with some cool dudes.
The mood lightened up and the joy from the day began around the African fire.
CLAWS Boma, follow.